back to Whose Line Is It Anyway? The show where everything's made up and the points don't matter. Hey, if you're keeping score at home, don't forget, send in your name and address for having a drawing to see who gets to watch the next episode of Whose Line Is It Anyway in the comfort of their own home. Could be you. Now let's go to a game called Sound Effects. This is for Colin and Ryan. Colin's going to improvise a scene. Ryan's going to provide the sound effects for him. Here's your microphone. The scene is you're an Eastern European Olympic gymnast, and you need a perfect 10 on all your routines. I'd love to give you a lot of points for that, but I distinctly said gymnast, and all your thing was for track and field. But hey, nice try.